Hey, this is our girls' dormitory. Today we are cleaning the courtyard. This is Grace. She is cleaning the windows and the doors, getting ready for painting. We have finished the outside plastering. The outside plastering is finished, and you can see the veranda is also finished. Do you remember? Inside it is already fixed. So we thank the Lord, and we thank all prayer partners and the supporters. Thank you so much for your provision. Now we are remaining to install electricity and the painting. The work is almost done. It looks beautiful. Thank you so much. We speak God's blessings to you. We love you so much. Bye bye.